Now, students, see, I am reading our remaining story. Now, I am reading this one. Try to understand this one. You see, Ranjan says, I have been dying to tell. It means I am waiting to tell you. Means whatever he experienced in his hospitals. So he was waiting to tell to Aman. I have been dying to tell you all about it. But what about you? Means he want to know also what happened with Aman, with his friend. Which hospital did you go to? Now Aman replies, it wasn't as nice as yours at all. It was not nice as yours hospitals and all facilities. At first, Abba, means Aman's father, did not want to take me because he said it would take too much time. First, Aman's father, he was not ready to take him to hospital because he said that there was a long queue, because he said it would take too much time because of the queue. Now this one, try to understand. And it really did. Now when we went there, I saw really there was a queue. We went to a big government hospital because he went to the government hospital, not private hospital. We had to wait in a long queue at the OPD center. Now, Aman and his father, as well as other patients also, they had to wait in where? At the OPD counter. I was feeling so sick that I had to lean means bend on Abba all the time because of the weakness. I had to take support of my father. Now just to see this one. When our turn came, the doctor examined me, doctor checked me and asked for a blood test. Now doctor said for blood testing. Then we had to go and stand in another long queue. Then we had to go to another queue for blood testing. People were crowding around in the testing room too. There was also crowd. There was also, we can say, the queue. Now just see this one. Now we got the result tests after 3 days and went back to the hospital. Now after getting blood testing result, now we went back to the hospital after 3 days. There was a different doctor that day. There was a different doctor. Now students, see carefully. Show me his OPD card and the test results quickly, please. After that, I am reading this one. He seems to be suffering from a bout of viral fever. Nothing to worry about. All he needs is this one fever reducing medicine. Only one fever reducing medicine. Now we can compare here, students. Compare between private hospital and government hospital. My hospital, now Ranjan says, my hospital was nice, but they gave me too many medicines and the whole thing cost more than rupees 3500. Now Aman says, that much. My treatment cost just rupees 150 rupees. Now here, by this story we can understand, by the cost of a cure we can understand the, we can say, the private hospital as well as the government hospital. We can compare, distinguish between the private hospital and government hospital. Now students, next paragraph, public and private health care services, we will read in next clip.